How's everybody doing? This is boy Bubby Monkey, and we're gonna be doing some Dead by Daylight. And we're gonna be playing as the survivor, of course. We're gonna be using my boy Jake Park. This is the first character I came out with. As the perks, we're gonna line up Spine Chill. Of course, that's my favorite. Plunderous Instinct, we're gonna be using that because I'm going in empty-handed. We'll make it. That way, once I take the person off the hook, I can heal them real fast, instantly, right then and there, so I ain't got to worry about it. And Saboteur, ever since they came out with the pig, I really don't want to mess with the hooks. So I just find it really like worthless to even use Saboteur now that the killer know when you're working on his hooks, because I like to take them down. But as far as that go, we're going to be using this. I'm not adding anything else to it. Let's get into it. Okay, we're at the Racid Abattoir, Co-Wind Farm, because I don't even know where they come up with half of these words. Hey, what's up, Fang? How you doing, babe? Oh yeah, definitely. I'm finding generators, y'all. Let's get this pimping, popping. Hey, Fang, you wanna go get something to eat after we get out of here? Hex room. Look at me. Yeah, I go tearing up stuff already. Okay, okay. They ain't said nothing. They're probably the Wraith. I ain't heard nothing. We made all that noise and we all over here and ain't no heartbeat yet. Oh yeah. It must be the Wraith. Pig, somebody quiet. Might even be Michael Myers. Alright, let's see what we got going. Come on. Know it's a generator around here somewhere. I'm scared, y'all. Don't knock me for my hustle. Let's see what we... Oh, yes! I was looking for that. My dude. And let's go. Alrighty, we're at the mother's dwelling. I went on and switched up characters because I really do need to level up my Claudette. Actually, all my blood points that I do get contribute to her because I only got 2 perks and I'm trying to get 4. So let's see what we got out here. I just want to see what she was capable of because I got up to the 2 perk level and I ain't used it yet. So let's see what we got. Hey, there go Detective Tap. I should go over there with him. I love Claudette because even in the normal shadows, she like blends in with those. So this is a great stage for her. Yeah, let's follow Detective Tap. Let's go over here. Let's see what he's doing. He might be leading me to a generator. I found the generator easy. There we go. They always lead me to one. Alright, let's get this, DT. That's kind of ironic that his name is Detective Tat DT. So that was kind of cool how they put that in. The Hex Ruin. God dog it all. Now the thing about Hex Ruin, if you didn't know, it affects 2 of the survivors on the board. They have the hardest time trying to do the generators. It just takes them all year. Where it just take us all day. You know, so there you go messing up, man. Come on, man. I got this. Just don't mess up on none of your skill checks. Alright, that's one done. Let's move on to the next one. Who is out here? Oh, somebody down already, y'all. Who is the killer, man? I don't think he would have went down that easy. It might be the trapper. Oh, that's another generator. That's what I'm talking about. That's how we do. I wonder if this, that's not the Hex Room. Let's go ahead and get this generator going. Got him on the hook. I'm trying to go save him, but I don't know what killer out there. I ain't heard no heartbeat or nothing. And he might be setting a trap right by the hook. They be talking about camping, but if you got players like the Rave, Michael Myers, depending on what perks that you set up, you gonna have to camp that survivor that you got hooked. But you know what I'm saying? When I do it, I go a distance away. Unless I'm using the Insidious. Then that's my favorite one. I like to put that down in the basement and then like just sit on the outside and watch everybody flood into the house, and then I just cover all the doors. I don't like doing this generator up here. Hold on, let me go Detective Tab. I don't see no killer. This might be safe. Ah, God dang it all. And hopefully we didn't get no attention here. I'm going, he got it. Hex Ruin gone. Yes. Let's get, oh, no, not the pig. Help me, help me, help me. Oh. Where's everyone at? Where's pallets? Oh my God. Oh, I should have just used that as darkness. Whew. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Run, Bill. Run. Get it, Claudette. Get it, baby. My nerves is up. My nerves is up. Roach in the light. Roach. Wait a minute. How the heck did she catch me that quick? You saw how far she was, y'all. This is crazy. Where did speed burst come from? Let me go. broccoli and butter. Good job, Detective Tapp. The savior. Thanks, bro. Now, this first time I ever got one of these daggone masks on my head, right? Okay, let me see if I can get... I know good and well you not tunneling me, dude. Really? Let me go. This is unbelievable. Now I gotta struggle. There you go, y'all. It's on. It's activated. I'm trying to get this. Get it off. Come on. Come on. Hopefully it won't that daggone jigsaw box that was the other way. Dog it all. Let it be this one. Basically, I gotta go to each box and try and find the key to take that mask off my face. Oh, come on. Get it. Get it. Come on, man. I know good and well you not coming back over here, dude. Yes, he is. That's some... I wish I had a Malarkin chestnut, I swear, boy. I can't believe you tunneled me the whole game, babe. Well, Claudette, this is what we get caught for. Well, you lose some and then you win some. But, hey, I had a good game the first time, so that's a 50-50. And of course, leave your likes, hit the little hand, the like button. Go ahead, subscribe if you want to. You know, I'll be dropping videos all the time. And I'll be back with you.